So a lady posted this for sale for 75 bucks, and I sent her kind of a low ball offer, kind of not. 50 bucks. Yes. Too bad it's not like the one Spats Bear has. I mean, he has two, actually. Sears. Made by Sanyo. This has a really interesting looking phosphor layout. And something about this. You ready? Can you guess? Hell yeah. What year is this from? 78? It's from 82. Here's the info. So, let's turn the set around. Oh, my brother brought me to get this, just like the Gold Star TV. And something ridiculous happened today, but we got lucky. And this TV doesn't look scratched to hell, but it looks like someone had the screen control up too high. Retrace lines, I see. Anyway, this thing sounded awesome. Let's turn it around. Assembled in the USA with components from Japan. So the chassis was made in Japan. They assembled this in the old Warwick plant at 3333 Sanyo Road. I'd like to find a Warwick made set. Warwick was model number prefix 528. Those are kind of cool. I don't know what tube this has. Might have a Sylvania tube. The phosphors look kind of weird, so yeah, that'll be interesting. Jeez, I can't even speak. Well, once you see the next video, you'll know why. Would you look at that? The same freaking screws the 78 Mitsubishi MGA black and white TV had. You could put a freaking coin in there and use it. How weird. I mean, you know, screws, and the other antennas go right there. This thing's flavor country, but it smells nice. I don't know why, but I can't get my driver in there. Watch me do it on camera perfectly. Is that not the same size? Okay, so I had to set it like this just to get the screw out. That was weird. Anyway, this stupid thing reminds me of that Toshiba Blackstripe. And look, you just have a metal tag and it hook into there. I've seen that Spats Bear video, what, like 1,000,000 times? Yeah, I know disc country music, but I don't care. Oh, there it is. The green picture tube rifle. Wow. 2 watts, 4 ohms, 2 watts. RCA. EIA 274, RCA. If it was a Sylvania, quote unquote, it wouldn't be Sylvania because it's from 82. There's some early 80s Sylvania sets that still have the GTE Sylvania design chassis. Cool. Yeah, speaking of, Sanyo did this for a long time. RCA tube. Yoke's not bonded. Hell, the one on the JCPenney set's not bonded either. Neither is the one that Shango has. It's the actual RCA version of the same chassis. Convergence rings. The one in Spats Bear's video, it looked about that baked. But some of these plastics don't yellow. Look at that. That's not even yellowed. Anyway, that's cool. Japan. Wow. That's just freaking awesome. Kind of reminds me of that 25-inch Zenith from 2001 that had a Phillips tube. Linty dust. By 82, that was on the thing instead of some breakout connection. I mean, you know how RCAs have the focus the screen right there to be focused right there or something like that. Tape, or that stuff right there. Someone on Reddit, they found one of their personal drills, and it's like an 82 25-inch Zenith Space Command set. He's already off the bat, he already wants to RGB mod it or any kind of video mod he could do. And I was like, oh, hating, kind of weird. I don't put hateful comments, but he just wants to see her run or perform at her best. Oh, that sounded good. I just sworn I said that in the Zenith video, the 89 Zenith I had, but I guess I didn't put that clip in there. So it's had retrace lines, so could be crap, but this is freaking awesome. Oh, that's not shit. Come on. 19 VLTP22. The phosphors look weird. Let's turn this set around. Look at that. It almost looks like the Matsushita tubes, the Quintrix or whatever. You look at it up close, it's like, oh, is this the dot mask thing with the delta gun configuration? Nope. Anyway, dinner time soon. We'll bring this in the house, fire it up. Hopefully not literally, as UXW Bill said.